Yes, good morning. Good morning from New Zealand. Hello to everyone. This is our global migrants. Global immigrants are going digital. So, this is our episode 4, and I am so proud to be the host for in behalf of these ladies. Yes, we are all digital business owners and mentors, and we are doing this side business as a side hustle. And yes, why smart parents are turning to online business for a more secure future. So that's our topic for today. I am Alma from New Zealand, and I'm a registered nurse doing this online business as my side business. Yes, thank you, Priska.
Yes, I'm Priska. I'm a nurse. I'm a mom of two, and I'm originally from Nigeria, but I live in United Kingdom.
My.
Um, my name is Marlene Fonseca. I am originally from the Philippines, Manila girl, and now I'm living here in Illinois, USA. Welcome.
Ginny.
Yes, hello. Good evening from my side. It's almost 11 p.m. here in France. So, good evening to all of you. Good morning to Sis Alma, all the way in New Zealand. And good evening to you also, Sis May and Sis Preska. So, it's nice to be back here. We are live and we are here to share with you a very interesting topic. So, my name is Jenny. I'm a child care professional here in France. I'm originally from the Philippines and I now live here. Okay, back to you, Sis Alma.
Yes. Just asking for support. Yeah, for to support our go live today. So yes, good morning. We are truly global. I'm from New Zealand. Priska is in UK. Mai is in Illinois, and Jean is in France. Imagine that. This online business is truly global. So any one of you, whoever is watching us, please comment down below wherever you are watching us from. And our topic is really good. Today, we want to talk about why so many smart parents, forward thinking parents, are turning to online businesses to create a more secure future for our families. First, we acknowledge the reality that traditional jobs are no longer as stable or reliable as they used to be, di ba? Isn't right because of what's happening in the global market of our economy. The job market is unpredictable. Even my husband lost his job. He got redundant last year. For 3 months he had no job, but thank God I've got this online business as another stream of income. So that's why having multiple income streams is not just a luxury anymore, it's a necessity. So, an online business offers a practical solution that allows us to earn alongside our primary jobs, or even we do this part time or full time. So, giving us the options to just quit our job, stay with our job, and do this as a side business, and giving us the option and flexibility and peace of mind. So it's a way to build something that is like a long term. We are building a generational wealth for ourselves and for our families, and families. So up to seventh generation, this online business. So another thing is, imagine being able to spend more time with our loved ones, because me as a nurse here in New Zealand, I've been trading time for money for many years. Sorry, I need to change this. I get dizzy. Yes, that's better. Um, Travel or pursue our passions without worrying, and like before, from paycheck to paycheck, but with that extra income, additional income, it gives us the ability to pay more for our mortgage, save for travel. Like I've visited 5 countries in 3 years. So yes, another opportunity to be back in the Philippines this May, and in June I'll be in San Diego, California. So look what's possible for you too. Imagine this business has been an answered prayer for me and my family. So yes, what about you, Priska?
Yes, it's because of the flexibility and the freedom to stay at home with my children, and the flexibility aspect of it. You can travel when you want to travel,
Yeah.
and you take your business with you, and you don't need your 9 to 5 when you want to travel, because 9 to 5 you have to get permission to travel. But
Yeah.
this one, because of the flexibility, you can go on your holiday, and also the automation there. When you're sleeping, your business is still working on the ground, working while you're sleeping. Even when you're on holiday, your business is still going on. And as long as you have your internet and your phone or laptop, you are good to go. So the main thing for me is the freedom to stay with my family and treasure those memories, because once they grow up, you've lost those memories. You won't get them back. So
Yeah.
that's the opportunity for you to go somewhere with them, go where they want to go. Like, and also when they have a parent evening, you'll be there to attend the parent evening without phoning in sick from your 9 to 5 or seeking permission. So that is my own take from this digital business. And also because you can do it anywhere in the whole world, anywhere at all, as long as you have your internet. So that's my take in this.
Thank you, Priska. So the digital world is booming and more people are shopping,
Yeah.
learning, and connecting online than ever before.
Yes.
So that's what's happening in the world. So yes, Mai from Illinois.
Oh, I think mine's frozen.
It's okay. We could hear you.
Okay. I was like, because my internet is hanging up.
Oh.
You know what happened to the weather? Wait a minute. Answer that question. Why smart parents like us who's turning to online business for more secure future? So we all know that job, our job is not security, because I've seen that to my grandparents, to my dad. So working for longer hours, some of them more. And now, as we step into digital age, we are embracing a new normal. So this is a new normal already. For opportunities thrive online. Not just about adapting to change. It's about seizing the chance to create a lasting legacy, especially for my children. You know, I grew up in a so I am determined to break free the cycle of study hard, finish school, and get a high paying job, because I've been there. I went ah sorry. That internet.
It's okay.
That internet.
It's been raining in
I'm
your
sorry about
area,
that.
you
Yeah,
said.
just make it quick. So I've been I that happened to my I don't want them to suffer. That's why this is good one for them. Okay, that's it for me, ate. Thank you.
Yes, Ginny, this
Yes,
is the
thank
perfect
you.
time to leverage technology and create something that works for you too, like it is working for us all. So instead of working endlessly for someone else,
Yes,
we are our own boss. So yes, Ginny from France.
exactly.
Yes, thank you so much. So, my take on the question why smart parents are turning to online business for a more secure future. Well, it's simple because we want to work smarter, not harder, right? So
Yes.
that's why we are here. So we are from different backgrounds, different parts of the world, and we're using a very special platform and which offers us flexibility, when it comes to time, when it comes to the location. And yes, it has so many benefits. So that's why now we are in the world of digitalization, right? So even those are famous brands of clothings and other famous brand that we know, they are also using online now. So almost everyone is using online. So we are also making the move because working online is amazing. We can get a lot of benefits. We can have more time for our children if we want because our schedule is flexible. So in my case, I work full time with my job, but I can still do this business because I can choose my time. And aside from that, yes, the automation. So even if I work in my with my full time job, the business is working in the background. So it's amazing. So that's why more and more people are learning to online that they can earn, and the earnings that you can get is like how do we say, limitless. So as long as it's up to you, as long as your business is reaching to many parts of the world. So the limit is up to you, and that's it. Thank you so much. Back to you,
That's
Sis
right.
Alma.
Yes. So unlike traditional businesses, online business have lower startup cost. So we are inviting everyone for a free live webinar. In New Zealand and Australia, it's every Wednesdays and Fridays. So anyone out there, if you would like to know more and learn more about how this business works, because as parents here from different countries, from different continents, we are into digital age already. So we are in the digital era and we own our digital businesses. So my business here in New Zealand is registered and
Yes.
truly genuinely legitimate. So even with Prisca in UK and Mai in Illinois and Jean in France, you can rely on us. This is truly legitimate business. So we will not jeopardize our citizenship where we are, me as a registered nurse here in New Zealand, if
Exactly.
this is not legitimate. So rest assured, we are inviting everyone to join our digital business program after watching the webinar, free webinar. It's you've got the options there. If you would like to continue, learn more how this works, even if you're working full time, you can build an online business like this. Make this as your side business as what I am doing. And over time it will create a stable income for yourself and family. Just like what you've said before, we are building generational wealth for our families and families, imagine that,
Wow.
up to seventh generation. So yes, now is the best time and there is no perfect time. Why start now? Because the world is more connected than ever because of the power of
Now
internet.
is the best
Wherever
time.
you are, imagine that. Even Prisca in UK, She's too far away and in Illinois and France. Imagine that. So yes, why start later? Start now is the best time. Anything else, Priska?
Yes, the internet allows you to reach globally.
Mhm.
So it's not like you just talk by yourself. So, like us now, we are global. You can see we are from different countries and we live in different countries. And so that's the main thing because it's global. So you can sort of join us if join us today. Don't think about tomorrow. And the good news about it is
Mhm.
anyone can start this business. Anyone at all can start it. And that's it for me.
Yes, Mai.
Yes. Do not watch this. Do not follow us. You are already satisfied with your situation right now. You know, but if you think that you need to make a change in your life, this is your sign to do something great, not just for yourself, but for the people you cared about. So check out each and every website of us. You can relate to us. There is no higher degree or lower degree or what, all walks of life. We are here. Connect with us, and we would love to share these amazing opportunities with you. Today is the day.
Ginny.
Yes, so if you are someone who is interested in learning how to earn online, or you have this passion about entrepreneurship, or you want to change your financial situation, you want to have time flexibility and financial independence, this could be the opportunity that you are looking for. So you just go for it. You check each on our websites, wherever you're watching, which page you're watching, and we are here ready to help you. So we are here, we're mentors, and we are going to guide you through the process. So we are from different walks of life, so everyone is welcome here as long as you are coachable and you are willing, you really want to change your financial situation. This is an
Reachable.
opportunity for you, so just go for it. If you're curious, we are here. So that's your choice. So start now and reach out to us. Thank you so
Mhm.
much.
Yes, and to wrap it up, starting an online business isn't just about earning money or earning more. It's about creating a life
Mhm.
that you truly enjoy. It's about options in life, security, and living life on your terms. So, if you're a parent
Mhm.
looking for a better way to support your family, this could be the chance to build something meaningful. It's not only for yourself. Remember, self-care is also important, but also with the love of our for our families. If this resonates with you and you really want to know, learn more how to get started, reach out to me, to Priska in UK. We've got our websites here, and even Ginny France. Ginny, what is your website? Please say.
Oh, I forgot. So my website is www.geninotdigital.com. I
That's
will
it.
put it in my page. Don't worry. Thank you.
Yes. Follow us, and we are real people here with legitimate business with real results. And we would love to share it with you. And we would love to share more about how you can make this a reality for your family as well. So thank you so much for joining us today. It's about working smarter, not harder. Thank you
Yes.
guys, and the
Mhm.
global migrants, global immigrants, go digital. We'll have another episode in 2 weeks. So thanks for watching.
Thank
Two
Thank you
weeks.
so
you.
much. Have a nice
Bye.
2
Sunday
weeks from now.
evening
Yes.
from my side.
Happy
Bye.
Monday
Good
from New
night.
Zealand, and bye. God
Bye.
bless.
God bless you.